Guys, what's up? It's Callie. I'm back and I'm going to be reading off my DMs for the first time to you guys. So, let's get started. Alright guys, let's hope this isn't too inappropriate. I am opening up my DMs for the first time. So, first person. Obviously, a raunchy question. Do you like anal? Just like any girl. The first time, no. And then if you let yourself do it again, it's okay. Alright, it's alright. What got you into being a cam girl? Well, it's really a long story. I first started off by posting naughty pictures on like Tumblr and such. So one day I was in my car and I got in a head-on collision with somebody that wasn't paying attention. So I didn't know what to do. I was out of work for plenty of time and I was like, well, people have asked me to sell nudes to them before and I was just really skeptical, so I didn't ever do it. I wasn't into like selling them. I would just do it for free. And then after I was out of work, I was like, whatever, we've got to do this. And then I met some girls and found out about webcams, and now I'm here today. Thanks for that amazing question. Porn with me, ? Make porn with me. Okay, not much of a question, but whatever. I don't do porn yet, so. Who is your favorite porn star, girl, or MILF? My favorite porn star would probably be Riley Reid because she seems so down to earth and I just love her. And she's more of like a teen type. Someone sent me the message, literally it just says J, the letter J. Alright, it says, at what age you lost your virginity? The first time I had sex was when I was 15. I was almost 16. It was like a month away from me being 16. So I was practically 16 when I first started having sex. Good question. Thanks for asking. Oh, wow. Just blunt. What is your favorite position to get fucked? To get fucked, probably, I like standing up in doggy style. Wow, this one is very blunt too. If I would give you 5,000 euros just to come in Romania to spend a night with me, what do you say? Well, I'm not even sure. I've never even used euros before, so I probably don't need them. So no. What is your bra size? 34 double D. Someone just sent me a period. Okay. How old am I? I am 21 right now. So. What's the craziest thing you have ever done? Craziest thing I've ever done in my whole entire life? Oh, that's a tough question, actually. I would have to say the craziest thing I've ever done was having sex on the edge of the beach. It was so insane. And I was also on my period. So it was probably not safe at all. So don't try that at home. or by the beach. Alright. What's the worst part about being a cam girl? The worst part is probably self-motivation. You really have to be self-motivated. You have to be able to get up. You have to be able to do your work and get it out on time. And sometimes you just don't want to do it, you know? Sometimes you don't want to go to your job, and it's understandable. So you just got to keep that motivation, and it's hard sometimes, but we got to take advantage of our opportunities when they're here. So we can't sleep on anything, you know? We hardly sleep anyways. This message says, I am shy, like big time. Me too. Me too. When people send you just a picture of their bag of weed, people are so awesome. That one's picture, I probably don't want to load it. No, probably don't want to load it. What is the last movie you saw that was really good? Ooh, oh my gosh. The last movie I saw was the movie with Adam Devine and that Anastasia girl. Oh, what is it called? I'm gonna have to look it up. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot what it's called. He is so funny though. I found him from Workaholics on Comedy Central. I didn't even know he made YouTube videos, but he's hilarious. Okay. When We First Met. Go look it up. It's the best movie out right now. It's awesome. It's hilarious. If you love funny movies, go ahead and watch it. Watch Workaholics too. They are amazing. So, we'll get back on track. Wow, this is a lot of messages. Wow, big boobs. I like. OMG, OMG. Big ass. Nice. Fuck. Alright. Someone said Whataburger is the best. Heck yeah. We've got some Texas fans in the house tonight. Someone literally said, show your feet. No. When did you start considering going into this kind of an industry? Like I said earlier, my whole life I was pretty much just taking nude pictures for the internet, but I didn't really go anywhere with it until I had to. You know, I was put into a bad situation, I couldn't work, so I was 19, almost 20, so this says, okay, thick, okay. Thanks, I guess. Alright. Some of these are too raunchy. This one just says hi. Hi. What is your favorite movie? You know, honestly, my favorite movie has been World War Z for a long time. I don't know why. Hey, what does your pussy taste of? Right. Right to the point. I like it. Cream pies, yes or no? No, unless you want to get pregnant. Which I highly unadvise anyone to get pregnant. How are you so gorgeous? Thank you. This one just sent emojis. A bunch of the heart emojis. I want booty. Me too. Are you from USA or Europe? I'm from the USA. Sadly. Would you drink coffee and blow someone? Ooh. I used to be a barista. So yes. Oh, I always loved coffee. What age are you? 21. Swallow or not? Swallow. You gotta get your protein from somewhere, honey. Before being a cam girl, what did you do for a living? Well, I was a barista and I went to college. So, that's a good question. Thank you. Are they real? And can you snap a pic of your hand on tap? That's related. Nice. With a kissy face. So big. You like to give hand jobs? You like to see men stroke for you? If that's meaning you're gonna send me a dick pic, no. Well, I hope you liked my video. It was interesting. I hope you enjoyed everything, but thanks for watching. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed everything, please give me a like and subscribe if you want to have fun with me. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter at CallieBlackX to see new updates on my next videos. Thanks for watching.